Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming.
Ang wish ko kay Baby Lobby, ano gusto namin? Yung sana, yung makita. 7! Sana lumaki ka na mabait, masunurin. At kahit na goal mo sa buhay, we will support.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Actually, si Claudia nga nag-prepare ng gusto niya. Tinanong ko siya kung anong mga gusto niyang party, anong venue. Although yung sa Antipolo kasi, yun ang mas accessible sa most ng classmates niya since lahat is taga Mandaluyong. So, yung lahat ng preparation is with my baby. So, lahat decide niya. Choice niya rin, pati yung theme na Mario. Kasi naglalaro siya ng Switch. Ang favorite niya si Luigi. Hindi si Mario.
Ako, mabait ka naman eh. Lagi ka lang sumunod kay Mommy Daddy. Tsaka galingan mo lang sa school. Ayun lang, masaya na kami. And always pray that na maging malusog pa tayo at humaba ang ating buhay. Kasama natin ang ating buong pamilya. Sana sa susunod na birthday mo ay gagawin namin mas masaya pa para sa'yo. Maging magaling na bata ka lang. At sana, syempre, maatin natin yung mga pangarap natin. Ayun na.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. We're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now. Here we go.